Ever thought about buying a property here in Germany, but felt lost in the maze of laws, taxes, and market trends? Don't worry, you're not alone. And imagine finally owning your dream home or securing a solid investment while navigating one of Europe's most stable property markets. Sounds good, right? Well, in today's video, we're breaking it all down to simple, actionable steps so you can confidently make your move. Ready? Let's jump in. Hi. My name is Ajay, and in this channel we'll show you how to buy a house here in Germany. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Ajay and I help expats in Germany decode the property market, one video at a time. Today we are diving deep into the German real estate market, why it's a great place to invest, the types of properties available, and how to navigate financing like a pro. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check the description for helpful links to resources including financing options. Germany's property market is a beacon of stability, a strong economy, although crumbling a bit right now, but still strong, a high rental demand, and consistent property value growth. For expats, it's not just about owning a piece of real estate, but about securing long-term financial stability. You're entering a market that's built on legal protections for property owners, meaning you can invest with confidence. And let's not forget the added perks. No property speculation tax, i.e. income tax, after 10 years and rental income tax deductions for investors. Whether you're planning to live in your property or earn a rental income, this market has something for everyone. Let's talk about the types of properties you'll encounter. First off, apartments, Eigentumswohnung. These are your go-to for city living. They are low maintenance, ideal for professionals, and in high demand for rentals. Perfect if you're in metropolitans like Berlin, Frankfurt, or Munich. Single-family houses, Einfamilienhaus, found mostly in suburban areas. These are great for families looking for space and privacy. Think gardens, extra rooms, your pool, and that quiet neighborhood vibe. Multi-family homes, Mehrfamilienhaus, the investor's choice. These properties generate consistent rental income with huge flexibility and can be a smart way to build long-term wealth. You also have commercial properties, Gewerbeeinheiten, if you're thinking big. Commercial spaces can yield higher returns, but they require more management, a bit more attention from your side, or of course you can outsource that as well, and they're a bit riskier as well. So the type you choose depends on your goals. Are you looking for a personal home for your kids and wife, or a way to generate any kind of income, so rental income? Financing is the make or break step in any property purchase in Germany. Here, fixed rate mortgages dominate the scene. The question is, do you go for a 5, 10 or 15-year fixed term? Here's how to compare. The lowest interest rates, which means lower monthly payments. Right now we are looking at a 0.1% delta, so not that much. It's ideal if you anticipate rates dropping or you plan to refinance within the next 5 years. The downside? It's short-lived stability. After 5 years, you're back at negotiation table, and if rates have gone up, so do your costs. The Goldilocks choice. It's not too short, not too long, and you lock in a decent rate and have a predictable payment for a decade. It's a great option if you're planning to hold on the property for a while. It's also the choice for investors in order to time your sale accordingly. Remember, after the 10th year, there's no taxes applicable on the profits you made. The catch? If rates drop midterm, so in 5 or 6 years perhaps, you're stuck unless you pay penalties to refinance, which would also mean you would need to sell the property at that time. Maximum peace of mind. Your payments won't change for 15 years, which is perfect for those who love long-term stability. You'll be able to give notice after 10 years anyway if interests were to drop, because that's by law. The trade-off? High interest rates, 0.1, 0.2% right now, compared to shorter terms and limited flexibility if you want to refinance or sell. So what's the best option? It depends on your plans. If you're staying here in Germany for a long term, say 10, 15, 20 years, a 10 or 15 year term could be your best friend. But if flexibility is key, consider a 5-year term. And remember, we're here to help and make the right financing choice. Check the link in the description to connect with us. We'll be guiding you throughout the way. Buying a property in Germany isn't just about the purchase price. Here's a quick breakdown of additional costs. You'll have property transfer tax, Grunderwerbsteuer. This ranges from 3.5% to 6.5% depending upon the estate you're buying in. For example, it's 6% in Berlin and 3.5% in Bavaria. Notary and land registration fees. Expect to pay around 1.5% to 2% of the property price. These fees are essential for transferring ownership. Maklerprovision, the agent's commission, usually split between the buyer and the seller. It can be as high as 7% plus VAT in some regions. Renovation and maintenance costs. Older properties might need a refresh, so please budget accordingly. Just as an example, on a 300,000 euros property in Berlin, your additional costs could be around 36k. Planning ahead ensures no surprises when you sign the contract. If you're eyeing the rental market here, Germany is a gold mine for consistent demand. Cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, Düsseldorf, Cologne, Munich are hubs of professionals, students, and expats alike, meaning finding tenants isn't usually a problem. Here are the key things to know. First off is rental yield. On average, you can expect yields of 3 to 4%. Not astronomical, but stable and reliable. Return on your equity, though, are around 20% plus. Anything below that, I wouldn't even consider buying. Second is tenant laws. Germany's tenant protections are strict and definitely pro-tenant. Leases are heavily favored the tenant, so you'll need to be on top of your responsibilities as a landlord or landlady, from maintenance to adhering to notice periods. Next up is choosing the right property. Here, location matters. That's almost the only thing. Properties near public transport, universities, or business districts tend to rent out faster and at higher rates. The more outskirts you go, the less the demand will be. Now, while the tenant market comes with responsibilities, it's a fantastic way to build long-term wealth. And if managing tenants feels daunting, hiring a property management company can take the pressure off. Germany's property market is structured, stable, and full of opportunities. Whether you're buying your first home or planning your next big investment, understanding the market and financing options is key. If you're ready to take the next step, we've got your back. Check out the resources linked in the description and let us help you navigate that journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Here's to making your property dreams a reality, and see you next time.